All right, we have two Coyote oil pans. Both of them are for a Gen 3 from a 2018 to 23 is what they'll fit. So you can see this is the factory one, this is the composite plastic one. Maybe I can get a ruler on this, give you just a general idea on the depth. So overall, maybe a little over 7 inches from the pan rail down to the base of the oil pan. And you go over here to this rear sump one, Moroso one, it's about 4 3/4 depth. So pretty big difference, 2+ inches in height difference. So why go with this oil pan versus this one? Well, there are cases, of course, where you need the extra ground clearance. This customer got an early F100 using a Crown Vic independent front suspension, needs to buy some extra ground clearance. So this pan does have some benefits. We just have the gasket on here, and of course you need to buy this as a kit in order to work as a all together here. So of course you have the gasket, we have the pickup tube that's just sitting in here for right now. It's going to come with the stud and the spacer, and then of course your oil pan bolts themselves, the O-rings, you want to change out the rings as well. Has the 4 trap doors in here to really keep the oil where it needs to be on hard cornering. And you can just see the difference here in the height. Big difference, much lower. Nice oil pan. These do kick out wider, but they'll clear most aftermarket headers. So there you go, mounts on there like this. So this is available as a kit from tdmotion.com. Thanks.